Hi, this is Maria from Maria's Garden in Punta Gorda, Florida. Guess what, everybody? It's been a couple months since I've been talking about desert rosas a lot. It's for reason for was raining too much, was too much humidity, and was not a good time to work with desert rosas because by cutting them or transplanting them, we increase the risk of root rot. Like right now, you can see over there, all my desert rosas are blooming now, trying to bloom and try to come back, and they're getting beautiful, okay? So right now is the time. Right now, this is for everybody, the whole world, for everybody. If you are in the end of the raining season, means you are 4 or 5 weeks for the rain, for the last 4 weeks is gonna rain and it's gonna stop. This is the right time, okay? I'm not talking about Florida, Bahamas, Alabama, or Texas, or California. I'm talking about anybody is watching this video. If you are in the end of the rainy season, this is what you need to do. Is start working with your desert rosas, okay? And what we need to do, if your desert rosas from 1 year to 3 years old, okay? And you don't have any problem with root rot, or problems with anything with this rose is healthy, your plant just needs a new pot. This is what we're gonna do. You don't need to wash the roots. We're gonna wash the roots in the desert rosas when you are having problems like root rot, or the plant has been 10 years in the pot and it's overrooted, and we need to take it out, wash it with the hose, and clean it. At this point, it's totally different than what we're doing right now. What we're doing right now is transplanting the pots into a bigger pot because they're in small pots, okay? Like for example, this one over here. This one has been in this pot for a while, and this is asking for a pot, screaming for a pot. I don't want to disturb it too much. It's healthy, it's been doing good. So what you need to do, you need to try to pull the whole thing just like this. And what you need to do, just move the soil like this, okay? Move the soil just like this. Okay, we're gonna lift it up a little bit, but we are not gonna wash the roots at this time, okay? Because doesn't need it. This plant was planted in this pot last year, so doesn't need to be lifted up or anything. So if you have a small little brush like this, gently just clean it like this, okay? And then this is what we're gonna do. There you go. Needs a new pot. Don't disturb it. Leave this like this. Do not disturb this. So needs a bigger pot. That's it. So we're gonna go ahead and put it over here, right like this. Okay. Just like that. We're gonna put an osmocote like that, and I'm gonna cover it up. And I know a lot of people worries about it because I'm not putting it too much down, too low. This is good. This is all what the plant needs, just like this. And I guarantee you, in 4 or 5 weeks, this plant is gonna be happy and grabs. Right now, not stable, but it's okay. Don't overbury. It's just good like this, okay? So just like that. Now it's gonna be happy, has a new pot, and this one is too small. Okay, this one over here, this has been in here, I said, for a year, and I can just feel it over here. It's screaming for a new pot. It's too big, too small. So what you do, just try to get it out. Okay, if you have it in a pot like this, just use a knife, bread knife, and try to get it without disturbing it too much. There you go. There it is. Okay, so this is the plant. This plant needs, where's my thing? Oh, here. This plant needs at least 5 inches here, 5 inches here, and 5 inches here for growing room, okay? So what you're gonna do, you're just gonna do this. You're not gonna disturb anything else. Just like this. Just go around. take some of the dirt out here, just like so, okay? Just like this, okay? You see? This is what you're gonna do. So, and then you put it here, just like that, okay? And, come on, stay straight. Just like that. Because we don't want to disturb it too much, because doesn't need to be disturbed, except needs a new pot. The plant is healthy. So this is what you're gonna do. So after that, we're just gonna go ahead and put some soil here. Just like this. And guess what? This is it, okay? And then we're gonna water it also. Water it real good. Even if it rains 3-4 more times, it's not enough time to root rot or kill the plant. Would be nice if this plant gets 2-3 rains before the rainy season. See that? That is good. We got 7 in there and almost 7, so it's a little bit cooker. Yeah, 7. Okay, there you go. This is it. Okay. Okay, this one over here. Just needs a bigger pot too, okay? It's touching the bottom. So what you do, I take it out very gentle, and this is what you're gonna do too. It's falling apart, but it's okay. Sometimes it's gonna happen. So what you do, just grab it, put it here, just like that, and we're gonna leave a lot out, okay? This is not good. So, let's see, just like this, and then we're gonna put an osmocote. Okay, there you go. So, like so, okay. And this is what we do. You see what you did? There is like an inch and a half. When the water goes low, this plant is gonna be okay. Doesn't seem stable, but it's okay. I do this all the time. Just you leave it alone like that. This one over here, the same thing. Just needs a bigger pot. I can feel it just by touching it. So there you go. So we're gonna do the same thing. Just get it like this out. You see that? Get a little bit out there. A little bit out there. And this is it. You see that? It's asking for a pot. It's screaming for a pot. Saying, Maria, plant me a bigger pot. So that's what I'm doing. And then we put, we put the osmocote here. Okay? And cover it up. Just like this, okay? And there it is. Oops. See that? There you go. This is what you have to leave out, okay? For the Codex to get bigger and bigger. So there you go. There's the other one. This one over here, I cleaned it this morning. See that? I cleaned all this. And you see the bottom? The bottom is asking for a pot, for a bigger pot. So we're gonna put it here, like this. See that? And osmocote. And then we just go ahead and put this soil there, just like that. Okay? So that's it. And there they are. Okay, you see you have all kinds. So if you get a little one like this, the same thing. Just squeeze it. Sometimes they're this size. This one is a spot. You see that? How you know the roots are coming out? Oh. See? So what we do, we're gonna put a little soil on this pot, no more, and see that's good enough. And we put a little more. Okay, so the same thing. we're gonna lift it up a little bit. You don't hurt the plant, okay? That way the plant start getting bigger and bigger in the Codex and start collecting water. When you go on vacations, this plant will be self-contained. Okay? So there you go. And then we put one over here. Stay there, baby. So there you go. See that? See? This is how you get started. This is a new pot, so we need to put a new pot. Might as well lift it up a little bit. Okay, and that's what we did. And the same thing with this one. This needs a new pot. Why? Because I can see the roots in the bottom. So by doing this, okay, just like this, and might as well, it's the right time of the year, right before rainy season, so might as well go ahead and lift it up a little bit. Simple it is, okay? So, there you go. You just make sure that it's nice and it's happened tomorrow you come back and it's like that. That's normal, okay? You just go ahead, do not overbury it. Go ahead and put it back and put water again, okay? Because that happens with the wind sometimes. So there you go. I'm just gonna show you one more, okay? How do I know they mean? Look at this one. Look at this one, okay? It's a beautiful plant. Look at that. But needs a new pot. So this is it. See? Needs a new pot around here. Around here, okay? So we're gonna plant it, but for now, the next thing we need to do, and then this one, that we buy it for a video, remember? Oh my goodness. This one we buy it last year for a video. Look at this. It's asking for a pot too. It's overrooted and needs a new pot, bigger pot. So we're gonna put it in a bigger pot. All you gotta do is this. Don't watch it and just plant it like this. Just like this, okay? This is how you're gonna plant it. Then after, look at the mess I have. Look at the mess. Look at the mess. I'm a messy person. Maria, for God's sake, because I don't want to take too much time. So remember this one also. This one, you see this one? So we're just gonna go like this. Easy it is. Not too much. And we're just gonna go ahead and lift it up. Every one is different. Each one is different. Sometimes you can lift it up 1 inch. Some can lift it up 3 inches. This one we just gonna lift it like 1 inch like this, okay? So now the fun part begins. Oh, and then we have this big one over here. This one over here, many times you can use the same pot over and over and over. All you gotta do is lift it up and use the same pot. How? You just go like this, and then it's heavy. So what you do, just go like that, okay? And then you just remove the soil here, okay? Remove the soil here, and again you can use the same pot over. It just needs to be left up, okay? So like that, and then I'm gonna use the soil just to show you. I'm gonna have to repair it because this is all soil, but I want you to see what we're doing. So this is it. What's this? Okay. So what we do in this case, that we're gonna use the same pot, we're just gonna go like this, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it back over here, the same pot, a little lower. Okay? So what you do, just put it right there, and now, you see that? You lift it up, so like this. Now go like this. See that? And make sure it's straight. Okay? Go ahead and put the osmocote here. And by the way, please do not reuse the old soil. I just doing this, I'm using the old soil just to show you how, but I don't like to use old soil at all. Old soil is not good. So, see that? So left it up about 6-7 inches from where it was. So now, what we do is, they're all done. The important thing we're gonna do is, hold on a second. Hold on. Okay, now what we have to do is water them. Make sure you water them. Make sure the water is cold and just water them. Okay? Soak them in water until you see the water coming in the bottom. Okay? Just like this. You see that? You see? Go like this. And this one. And I'm going to show you something. Okay, there you go. I'm finished doing this. What I want to show you is this. You see that we left them up over here like 2 inches? We left them up. We left this one up. You see that? We left this one up. Also this. Also this little baby. We left them up. And this. And of course this one. So what I need to do now is soak them in water and let them rest for at least 2 weeks in the shade, okay? And then put them outside, or you can leave them outside if you like to. Just keep an eye on them and make sure they have water. But this is what you do to lift them up, and that's about it, I guess, from here. So you do one thing at a time. After we do this, we need to wait for them to recover to do any pruning that we want to do. When it's grafting, you have to wait for them to recover. Until next time from Maria's Garden. Bye-bye.